Okay, Big Al here. Don't forget to like, view, share and subscribe to my channel. Now we're just going to do a little bit of front yard gardening, well just a bit of fertilizer for now and a bit of an update on how things are going. We're using dynamic lifter, so in other words chicken shit. Just get my plants growing a bit better. And as you can see, since the last time, the cucumbers have come up. The petunias are there, the marigolds are there. Even my beans are going ballistic. I thought I saw one on before. I might have missed it, but it won't be soon. You see all the flowers. We're going to have a nice crop shortly. That will be absolutely awesome. And you can see the flowers and all that are still growing good. When those beans are gone, then they'll be replaced with the flowers. But the thing that excites me the most is I am getting flowers on my guava tree. Here's a flower there, and I think it was around this side I could see it better. There's a whole heap of buds about to break out, so I'm going to get myself a nice feed of guavas, which I'll probably use on my cooking to make guava jelly. So a bit of fertilizer for that one to keep him going. I think the possum or the crows or something still keeps eating my tomatoes, but here, even the front ones. Here we go. Nice cherry tomatoes. Awesome. And a bit of fertilizer for this one. Look at that nice rose, eh? We're going to get a lot more of them. Anyway, that's it for now. Just remember, share and subscribe, and hasta la vista, baby.